Okay, Dale, as the temperatures rise in our area, so it appears that COVID-19 cases are doing the same. Take a look at the very latest numbers from Nueces County. Now, it should be noted that this is a 3-day total, which includes the weekend as well as today. There's also one new death to report, a woman in her 90s, and that death raises the total number of lives lost to COVID-19 here in Nueces County to 1,502. Another number that we're really keeping a close watch on, hospitalizations. That has jumped back up to nearly 55 patients in the hospital battling the virus, and of those, 8 are in the ICU. And today our Seth Kovar spoke with local health officials about that upward trend and if there should be any cause for concern.
I've just been scared of it.
And with a 90-year-old mother at home, Marcelino Chapa doesn't take any chances when it comes to COVID-19.
We've had some deaths in our family in the beginning on my mom's side. There was quite a few people.
Fellow Corpus Christi resident Kirk Underwood also lost a loved one. It's one of the news today that Nueces County is back up to an average of 150 daily COVID-19 cases was concerning to him.
I hope, that it goes down and people don't get sick. My stepbrother had died of it, and so I feel really sad about that.
Local health leaders here at the health department did not have a definitive answer as to why we're seeing an increased number of COVID-19 cases right now, but they say they have a pretty good idea. There's a new subvariant of Omicron out there, and it very well could be here in Nueces County.
We can't say for sure that we have it here, but most likely.
Assistant Health Director Dr. Kim Anyafrak doesn't think the new subvariant is as deadly as the Delta strain of COVID-19, but she does think the symptoms are worse than the original Omicron.
It is a little bit more symptomatic when it comes to the upper respiratory. People are complaining of severe sore throat, headaches, body aches, fevers.
The proof could be in the numbers of COVID-19 hospitalizations from last week to this week. It's up to 55 from 44, with 8 of them in the ICU, up from 5, and 2 on ventilators, up from 1. No matter what's behind the increased numbers, Chapa and Underwood have taken notice.
I don't want to spread it. It's one thing to be to have it, but then to be a carrier and then give it to somebody else, and I wouldn't feel guilty. So yes, I would take precautions.
That's why I'm wearing 2 masks right now. So, yeah.
Reporting in Corpus Christi, Seth Kovar, Chris 6 News.